All right, these are your math directions. So you're going to do your Thanksgiving math project today for math. And what you're going to do is you're planning a Thanksgiving dinner for a family. You need to look carefully because some of you might have different directions than others. So check and see what your budget is. Your budget means how much money you can spend. I underlined it on the first page of your sheet, I think, or just check for the word budget. That's how much money you can spend. And then also check to see if you have any other special directions. Some of you may see directions about foods that people like or dislike. Then you are going to find your menu page. Your menu page are the options of food that you can serve for your Thanksgiving meal that you're planning. What's important is to pay attention to how much each of the foods cost. You're going to be choosing foods for people, and if you look at your next sheet, which has the boxes with the people's names on it, tells you that you need to have a drink, an appetizer, an entree, and 2 sides and a dessert for each person. You will pick those foods using your menu, but what you have to do is keep up with how much money you've spent, because you are going to write down your choices and how much money you spend, and then the final sheet is to record whether or not you were able to stay within your budget. So, this is going to take some time. Most of your math work is going to be adding, and you could use the back of this paper or extra scrap paper to help you keep track. But you want to know how much money you spend along the way, because if you spend too much, what you can do is check your menu to see if there's a cheaper option. If you look at the foods, some of the foods are more expensive than others. And so even though it looks cool, you might have to choose a food that's cheaper if you go over your money. So bringing this paper with you to school to give to me works, or you can check to see if there's a way that you can show a picture. What I would want to see is your final paper where you tell me how much you spent, and if you were able to stay in the budget. That would be the best paper to take a picture of.